Hi there, my name is Michael, and I would like to introduce you to Lang Club. Lang Club is an English-speaking club where you can practice conversational English with interesting people from different countries and cultures around the world for free. As an English teacher, I know how important speaking practice is for fluency building, and how hard it can be sometimes to find a place to practice. We are currently developing our own platform, which will enable us to better moderate members' levels of English and match people together with conversation partners. During the development process, we are making all of our conversation practice sessions free as we continue to gather data to make the best platform possible. Every Lang Club session is hosted and moderated by a certified native English teacher like me, and it is a friendly, welcoming, and safe place where you can practice your English speaking skills with others. There are 3 simple steps to join a session. First, create an account on our website, langclub.live. Second, click Book on the session you want to join. Remember that all sessions are posted in your local time zone. And finally, just click Join right before the session starts. The Zoom waiting room will open 10 minutes before the session time. Please note that we require all members to have an English proficiency level of intermediate, or at least B1. You must also be at least 16 years old to participate in a Lang Club session. Here's how the conversation session works. Every English conversation session is 1 hour, and it's made up of 3 parts. There's an ice-breaking round, a main conversation discussion topic, and a free talk round at the end. I've provided discussion questions for each round, which you will find on the session page when you register. Every round lasts about 20 minutes. During each round, you'll be placed in a small group of 3 or 4 people from all around the world to make sure that everyone has plenty of chances to talk. When you arrive in your small group, start out by introducing yourself and where you are from. Our Lang Club members come from over 140 different countries, so you'll get to meet lots of amazing people from all across the world. Then, take turns choosing and asking questions from the list. Make sure everyone has a chance to speak. When it's your turn to ask a question, you can pick a question from the list that I've provided, and then choose who from your small group you want to ask it to. After they have answered the question, they get to pick the next question and the next person to ask, and so on. Remember, this isn't a competition. It's a fun way to practice real, natural, fluency-building English conversation in a relaxed and supportive environment. Remember, when it comes to language, practice makes perfect. The more you use English in a conversational environment, the more natural it will become. And to make sure that all of our sessions are productive and also safe for everyone, we require all of our members to turn on their cameras so that we can see each other's faces and get to know each other a little bit better as well. Check out our website, langclub.live, for the upcoming sessions. I look forward to seeing you in this week's free English conversation sessions.